In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot forms to WordPress pages and posts. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, sign in to your HubSpot account so you can access your forms and grab the embed code. Once you are logged in, go to the Marketing menu, then to Lead Capture, and choose Forms. This is where all of your saved forms live, and where you can choose the exact one you want to place on your site. Move your cursor over the form you want to embed and click Edit to open it. In the form editor, look to the top right corner for a button labeled Review and Update. Or, for some form types, you will see Share instead. Click that button and pick Get Embed Code from the options that appear. HubSpot will present a JavaScript embed snippet that allows the form to load on any page where it's pasted. Click Copy to copy the provided JavaScript embed code to your clipboard. This single copy action keeps everything accurate, which is important because any change to the script could prevent the form from loading correctly. Next, switch over to your WordPress site and open the page or post where you want the form to appear in the editor. If you are using the newer Gutenberg editor, add a custom HTML block at the location on the page where you want the form to display. If your site is still on the classic editor, switch to the text editor view so you can paste raw HTML and scripts directly. Paste the copied HubSpot embed code into the HTML area of that block or the text view. Make sure the code sits exactly where you want the form to render on the page. Avoid inserting additional characters or line breaks that were not in the original snippet to keep the code intact. When the embed is in place, publish or update the page or post to save your changes. The script will load the form on the live page, pulling any styles and settings from HubSpot, so it looks and behaves as configured. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind without changing any steps. Be aware of the editor you are using so you choose the correct place to paste the code, and make sure you copied the exact snippet from HubSpot to avoid errors. If you manage multiple sites, confirm that the form settings in HubSpot point to the correct domain to ensure tracking and analytics work properly. That covers the process for adding HubSpot forms to WordPress pages and posts.